Hi everyone, this is Hiril from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I'm very excited to share my project with you all with my recent InLoveArtShop design team haul. So if you follow me on Instagram, I have shared my couple of images there, like couple of card images there. But today I'm going to share everything with you today. So let's get started. Let me start with these two beautiful embellishments. How gorgeous they look. Just look that. And I will show the dies I have used. So these are the two dies I have used. Let me open and show. Look guys, it's so beautiful. So what I have done is I have cut two die cuts from this and two from this from different cardstock. And what I did is, if you look, I have actually popped up double image here, double die cut. So I cut this part from this orange paper and I have stick to this yellow background. So it's kind of double color. It looks 3D. It looks awesome. These were the dies when I looked at the website, I was like, I have to get this, and like I'm totally loving this one. So, and also the butterflies are from InLoveArtShop too, and they are super cute. I'm not sure how many pieces we get. Maybe I have to check from the website, but you can also get all the direct links from the description box below. So these are the beautiful butterflies die cuts. These are not stickers, these are die cuts, and I have used them in here. But it looks super awesome, don't you think guys? So these are the butterflies that you can be used in cards, scrapbook albums, embellishments, anything. They're perfect size. And also these two pearls, it's kind of rose gold color, and look how awesome they are. So you get in different sizes. I think these are 1, 2 and 3 different sizes, and they are 108 self-adhesive pearls, so you don't need any glue to stick it. So I have used these. Hope you like it. The next project is this You and Me card, best for Valentines, anniversary, engagement, love, anything. So the dies I have used are these one. I don't want to take out of the bag, it just makes a lot of noise, but it's this die. Look how intricate it cuts, and I only die cut through my machine once, not more than that, and it still cuts very well. Also, you still get negative pieces from this YOUME if you want to use it, but I loved like this only because my background is kind of sparkly too. But it looks awesome. So that's that. Another card is this and this card. Why I'm showing you two cards together, because when you get this die, you get 3 pieces out of it. So what I have used is this floral heart shaped die for this one, and I have popped it up with foam. And I have also used this Love You Always die. So these two die set I have used together, and this floral border die, what I have done is I die cut it twice, and then I had a bow over here, and this is a sticker from my stash. So you can make 2 different cards out of just one die. That's why I wanted to show you side by side that you get 3 pieces in this die set. Don't forget to use the discount coupon I will be listing down in the description box below. So these are the two love Valentine cards that you can send to your spouse, loved ones, partners, friends, anybody. They are awesome. You just need to select the right color of the cardstock, and that's it. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So these are the two cards. And then this one, so I have used this border die. So it doesn't cut this part, it only cuts the border. So the paper can be as long as you want, it only cuts the border, this floral border. And I have made this birthday card, super beautiful birthday card. I have embossed white cardstock and pasted onto the balloon themed cardstock. But it's so cool, isn't it? I love this four flower leaves. You can also use this as a St. Patrick's Day card. I was going to make one, but then I ran out of my green cardstock. So again, you can use whatever you have, but this is the beautiful die. And I have also created these two treat boxes with the same die. So these are like different examples I'm showing you all that you can use with one die set. Just one die set, guys. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. So what I have done is I have taken a strip, one strip of 12 by 3, and I cut the border and I pasted it kind of a square, and this has a base in here. And then I added these handles in here, so you can put some treats in here, chocolates, candies, anything, and give it to some kids in your community or at your home or anybody. But this is so cool, guys, isn't it? So these are the different cards and embellishments I have created using InLoveArtShop dies. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.